Hey, Dr. Shakib here from Irvine Spine Wellness Center, your Irvine Chiropractic office. I am here with Desiree, my assistant, and I wanted to go over some of the basic exercises that has to do with the posture and brain-based neurology and posture. So in this exercise, we're going to work on the portion of your brain called PMRF. You don't need to worry about it. That's about the middle portion of your brain that is in charge of upright against gravity. My most favorite one, and the one that I recommend to everyone pretty much all the time, especially if you're at work, every hour you should get up and take micro breaks anyway, but it's the one that has to do with praising the sun. In this exercise, come over here, you're simply going to raise your arms up and look up. And go ahead and turn this way. So you're not really hyperextending your back. Go ahead and hyperextend. So you're not bringing your upper body back. It's just a regular upright, normal standing up, raising your arms up and lifting your head up in that fashion. Thanks. Here you hold the pose for about 20 seconds and you do this about 3 or 4 times. My recommendation is for you to get up every hour if you're sitting behind your desk. And when you're about to sit down or when you first get up, whichever works best for you, to do this throughout the day. When you do this, it activates. It's a positive neuroplasticity, as it's referred to. You positively activate your brain. So the part of the brain that says upright against gravity is activated, and it kind of cancels out the whole forward posture. If you're sitting like this all day, and you're doing this all day, the part of the brain, PMRF, that says, hey, do this, doesn't get activated. It literally starts shrinking. With positively activating it, it comes back to life. Another thing that is my favorite is using a straw. How about that? Hopefully you won't be using plastic straws, but that's a whole different topic. So when you use this straw, when you whistle, when you sing, when you hum, it activates your vagus nerve, the very nerve that is in charge of your diaphragm. You see, if you're collapsed, you can't breathe heavily or deeply. You can't oxygenate your body, which is not a good thing. So by you doing this straw drinking, humming, singing, or whistling, you're activating the vagus nerve, which happens to be sitting right next to the upright posture portion of your brain. So you're kind of doubling up on activation of that. Finally, my most favorite of exercises, because this is more of a routine than anything else, is leaning against the wall. So can you see us here? So over in this exercise, you're gonna step forward a little bit from the wall, and you're gonna lean back to the wall. So the small of your back is against the wall. The small of your back is this portion of your back. Of course, there's a whiteboard here, so disregard that. You're gonna find a wall that you can lean both of your arms on, and you're gonna step forward a little bit more. Spread your feet a little bit so it's as wide as your pelvis, and you're gonna keep the small of your back against the wall, and you're gonna tilt your pelvis forward. At the same time, you're gonna glide your neck forward. So go ahead and do that. And then when it's time to go back, you're just gonna bring your pelvis back, and you're gonna glide your neck back again. So it's almost like this move. Kind of looking funky, but who cares? It activates the very parts of your brain that will send a command upright against gravity. By you incorporating these things into your daily routine, you're kind of undoing some of the damage that comes from sitting behind the desk and typing away. I hope this helps. If you want to learn more about brain-based neurology and posture, check out my website, Irvine Spine Wellness Center, and give us a call with any questions you may have. Thanks for watching.